Look at this. Another big declutter in such a small space. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Decluttering with Dee. Actually, we are not going to be decluttering my closet in this video, but no joke, I'm having some house renovations on the whole outside of the house right now, and this is probably the only room in my closet that I can actually do my introduction and talk to you guys. Since everything is going on in the background, I might have to do some voiceovers, a little bit of music and so forth. But today I want to attack one area at the end of our hall. It's our linen closet. There's a lot of things in there. Actually, hold on, no, I take that back. I've already decluttered this area, I think, twice, and there's not much in there, but I definitely know that I need to toss out some sheets and all that. So I want to revisit that again because I have like so many blankets around this house and I need to house them all. I need to find a place. I need to find a home for them. So it's just I'm gonna take this opportunity to do that because right now it's starting to get a little cooler. We're going into the holidays and the winter and all that good stuff, and I got a lot of blankets, so I want to create a space, a home for the correct and proper linens that are in my household, as well as some blankets. So let's get started. Here is the infamous linen closet upstairs. We've come a long way. Here are some bed linens for our bed, towels that don't belong here. Here are some more bed linens for our guest beds and up there as well, and some beach towels. It's totally time to go through this again and make some room for some blankets. I used to be one of those extreme couponers. That's why I started my YouTube channel 10 plus years ago. So I kept some of my overflow stock in here, and it's easily forgotten. I need to definitely clear out this completely out. Another small space filled with complete clutter I've ignored for too long, taking up too much valuable space. It happens. Sort of where I kind of left off. I'm going to start with this section first. Going to take this all out. Okay, right off the bat, and these right here can go into the other upstairs second bathroom that we have. So these just need to be relocated. These are some of our pillowcases that we use for this bed here. These are Cow King sheets. Okay, I might have to do voiceover. But these do not fit our new mattress anymore, so I can go ahead and get rid of those. And these can be used for rags and such. I don't need these either. Hey, it's a good start. Now, on to the next section of linens for our guest beds. Okay, this one actually goes into the guest room. I gotta put that back on the pillow, on the bed. This is our guest bedroom's new sheets. I gotta keep that one. And this is also the second pair of sheets for that bed. So these, all of us stay. I just have to refold these. So that's a keeper. Also, make sure to check out my friends. I have Karen, Miss Mainer's mom, Michelle, My Everyday Wife Life, and Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. Together, we are decluttering. Together, we're on this journey. We're posting every Thursday a decluttering video for the entire month of November. So make sure you check out their channels. They're going to be listed in the description below. Alright, I have more pillowcases here, so I'm going to place them right here. I'm not too sure. And this one is also for the Cow King, which I just explained. It's not going to fit in this bed any longer, so that one can be tossed out. This one here is for the other guest bedroom bed. I have 2 sheets for it. Okay, so that one can go right there. And it's for the other guest bedroom. So this is actually for the futon sheet. That's the fitted. And I have some beach towels here, which I used when I went swimming next door with little Ellie. So that's why it's all kind of crazy. I can go ahead and refold those. This one is actually my mom's. It's a pillowcase. Isn't that pretty? That was gifted to her, but I got to put that back in her little area. Ah, here it is. That is the flat sheet that goes for the futon. So that's actually a keep. So that goes there. And then this one is just an extra bath mat rug, which quite honestly I don't really need, so I'll probably toss that one out. And this was in here. This is a king flat sheet. Look at that, it's brand new. Again, I really don't need that. That'll be donated. Okay, so as you guys can see, this stuff I'm gonna transfer it back. These are, this right here, I'm not too sure. I'm still gonna debate which ones I want to keep for as pillowcases. Like, where do all the pillowcases go? And these right here are all gonna be donated. Ta-da! Isn't that nice? So I'm thinking the beach towels I might place up there because it's seasonal, right? Does that make sense? I don't know. I gotta figure this out, but I think I might just take some of the sheets here so it's a little bit more accessible. The beach towels way up there, and then maybe I can put some blankets in that area. I don't know. Leave me a comment down below if you got any ideas.
Wow, big difference, huh? I decided to place the beach towels way up there since it's seasonal. Then I stuck the current pillowcases here, and I'm going to place our new bed linens once I make those purchase in the meantime. And then look at all of this space. It can now house some of the blankets lying randomly around the house, but we'll get to that in another video. And then these are the guest bed linens for now. Alrighty then, it's time to clear out all this clutter out onto my bed to sort through. And yes, that is something like a crystal bottle there. Why is it there? I don't know.
Holy cow, look at all this stuff that I had. Alright, you guys, I have some feminine products I can definitely give to some of my neighbors. And I also have 6 boxes of these Biore deep cleansing pore strips. I should be having one on. Just kidding, as I'm filming. I definitely need to put that in my cabinet that I go to every day, so I remember to use that. Jay had stored these two empty boxes. They don't really need to be in there. This is something I found at the thrift store. And if you guys saw my last decluttering video on this, you saw that in there. How funny. I could definitely use these bins, so I'm going to keep that. These perfumes, I'm going to go ahead and let Queen G see if she wants to use those. I have these Sally Hansen Insta Gel Strips. I didn't even know I had. Again, that needs to be relocated so I can use it. And then these are all little odds and ends of samples, so I'm going to put that in my vanity. Hair color I never used. Lotion that was part of a gift set. Need to use that. Look at that. Shea butter body wash. Put that in my shower. And then some lotion that Jay I don't think he's interested in using this. I don't know. Might give it to one of these construction workers. Just kidding. And then I have some unopened chapsticks and lip balms. I don't know. Maybe they want them. Who knows? I got a couple of more razors. They don't go here. I have a spot for these, so that needs to be relocated. And there's a little bin here. That needs to be all taken care of. I think with these, I might give it to the guys outside and see if they need lip balm. Why not, right? And then these, I'm going to go ahead and see if somebody else wants to use these. And then these, I'm going to go ahead and just relocate it in our bathroom and put this where my nail polish is at. I'm going to open these up finally and see if maybe Queen G wants them. If not, I'm going to see if our friend Coco wants it. I'm going to wash that and then place that downstairs. That's beautiful. And then throw those out. And then I'm going to use these bins for another project of mine. Wow. And now check it out. And this right here is a Cow King. I think this is like a sheet protector. Again, I can't use these. What is this? Oh, again, it's a sheet protector. I can't use these. So these can also be donated. With everything on that bed is not coming back in here. So that leaves all of this. That is so awesome. Sorry about the lighting, folks.
Remember to check out our Thursday's decluttering videos. I wonder what Michelle, Karen, and Sunday Dawn are up to decluttering today. Check them out and click on my icon to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And click on one of these decluttering playlists for some more decluttering motivation. Right here.